Hey there. Wanted to do a video to show what one of our other projects is and that we completed. Um, so we built a perimeter fence through the front of the yard using some vinyl fencing by WamBam. They're basically a no dig vinyl fencing. They're just pound the support stakes into the ground, and you just kind of put it all together like Legos. So here we go. This is the finished project. We started on this side, finished it off to the side here. Added some post lights too for the post caps. So that was finished probably a few weeks ago, a couple weeks now, and then we just finished this evening, this side. So perimeter fence, and then we have a swing out gate here. Goes all the way out. So anyway, so yeah, this was probably a culmination of 3 weeks of putting it together. Help of my father-in-law and my dad. So here we are. It's finished. Something Jessica's been wanting for a while, actually. So glad we were able to finish it up. There we are. So I wanted to do a nighttime shot of the fence to highlight what we did for each of the posts. So here we go. Alright, so what you can see is we put some lamps, solar lamps on top of the posts all along. So creates a nice, you know, lighted border at night. And I've checked them out, and they seem to have taken, you know, last throughout the evening. So you get charged up during the day and light up during the night. It's great. Wanted to share that with everyone. So, alright, have a good night. If you enjoy that, please like and subscribe.